How to refund money on Cash App. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you guys how you can refund your money on Cash App. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to your account section, and on the three dots, you're going to have to tap on the receipts option. So the only way that you can get a refund or a money back on Cash App is if that request that you've sent is on pending. If the request has already been delivered and has already been completed, then there is no way that you can get the refund back. So in that case, what you need to do is simply make sure that your refund request is on pending. But if the time period has already passed, in that case, you could try to contact customer support, but if the transaction has already been completed, then in that case, you are going to have to ask the person itself to refund you back the money. And if that doesn't help, then you will have to contact the Cash App's help and support team. That is everything that you can do as of now to get a refund on Cash App. That's it for this video. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.